welcome to my channel. Today we crocheted this string bag from recycled cotton. I have this string bag in gray color, but we will be crocheted in red. I use this red rope and black strip for backhand. We start crochet with 37 chains. Remember, hook 4 millimeters, and let's start to crochet. And I start to crochet second round, 3 chains like 1 double crochet, and plus 1 chain. Summary is 31 chains together, and to crochet in the 7th chain from hook, 7 in 7, 1 double crochet, and plus 1 chain, plus 1 chain, skip 1 chain, and to crochet 1 double crochet, and again 1 chain, skip 1 and 1 double crochet. It's our second round. We need to crochet this pattern around. Skip 1 and 1 double crochet, skip 1 and to crochet 1 double crochet. And now we finish first part of second round. We crochet 1 chain, skip 1 loop, 1 double crochet, and we need to turn to second side of bag. 1 chain, 1 double crochet in first loop, 1 chain, turn around, and again 1 chain. We need to turn and to crochet 1 double crochet in third chain, one chain, and again skip 1 double crochet, 1 chain, skip 1 double crochet. If you need more detailed instruction, please find it in description. This line in the center, it's our bottom, because now we start to crochet front and back sides. I finished the second round with slip stitch, and it's finished. Let's start to crochet the third round with 3 chains plus 1 chain, skip 1 in 1 double crochet this chain, and repeat this pattern. I finish the third round with slip stitch and wait you in the last round. I finish the main part of my bag, and now I want to bind with single crochet. We need 1 chain and to crochet 1 single crochet around. We finish with slip stitch. And fasten off and wave in ends. And go to seeing the hands. I want to sew my strip and I need to fix this strip with fire. And now I start to sew first hand of my bag. And that's all. I sew other hands like this. And my bag is done. My string bag is done. It's in red color, or for example in gray. Thank you for your time. Let's create together. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.